So, you're starting a business in North Carolina. Smart move. But before you dive into logos, websites, and all the exciting stuff, let's make sure that your business is legally legit. Forming an LLC in North Carolina isn't hard, but you do need to get the steps right. This quick guide will walk you through the essentials so that you can move forward with confidence. First things first, your LLC needs a name, and North Carolina has a few rules around it. The name has to be different from any existing business in the state and must include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.L.C. You can run a free name search on the North Carolina Secretary of State's website to see what's available. If you are not ready to file just yet, that is totally fine. You can reserve your chosen name for 120 days by filing a name reservation form and paying just $30. Every North Carolina LLC needs a registered agent. This is the person or company who receives legal documents and official government notices on your behalf. Your agent needs a physical street address in North Carolina and must be available during regular business hours. You can be your own agent, sure, but a lot of people go with a professional service to keep things smooth and, most importantly, to keep things private. Now, to legally form your LLC, you will need to file your articles of organization with the North Carolina Secretary of State. This form includes the basics: your LLC's name, registered agent info, and a few other details. You can file online or by mail, and the filing fee is just $125. Most people opt for the online route because it's faster and easier to track. And after your LLC is formed and filed, you will need an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This acts like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it to open a bank account, hire employees, and handle taxes. And the best part is it's totally free, and you can apply online in just a few minutes. North Carolina doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but having one is a really great idea. This internal document outlines how your LLC runs, who owns what, and how decisions get made. Even if you're the only member, it helps solidify your LLC's legitimacy and sets clear expectations from the start. Now, depending on what kind of business you are running, there may be just a few more steps. If you sell goods or services, then you might need to register for sales tax with the NC Department of Revenue. And if you're hiring employees, you'll need to register for state employer taxes. Local licenses or permits may also be required, but check with your city or county government just to be sure. Now, here's some good news for the state. North Carolina doesn't require a first-year annual report, but after that, you will need to file one every year to keep your LLC active. It's due by April 15th and costs $200. So don't miss it, or your LLC could fall out of good standing. Now, here at Simplify LLC, we do help business owners skip the paperwork headaches. We'll file your documents, act as your registered agent, and make sure that you're staying compliant all year round so that you can focus on building your dream. Starting a business is a very big move, but forming your LLC doesn't have to be, and you now have the roadmap. If you're ready to make it official, head over to simplifyllc.com and we'll walk you through every step. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comments. We always read them, and if this helped, feel free to subscribe. We've got more guides coming your way, and we will see you in the next video. Good luck with your North Carolina LLC.